Hey everyone, welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. So, last year, Samsung shook hands with Qualcomm for some top-notch smartphone chips. But guess what? Samsung hasn't stopped jazzing up their own Exynos chips. The rumor mill is buzzing with news that the upcoming Galaxy S25 series might rock these Exynos chips, while the next-gen foldables, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, are leaning towards Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips. And for those looking at the more wallet-friendly Galaxy A series, you might see chips from MediaTek and Samsung making an appearance. Now, let's talk about the star of the rumor show, the Exynos 2500 chip. Word on the street is that this chip is not just any chip. It's rumored to be a powerhouse, optimized specifically for Galaxy phones and boasting a super efficient 3nm process. There's even talk that it might outpace Apple's chips. But, as always, let's sprinkle a little skepticism on these rumors until we get the official word. If these whispers hold any truth, it's a pretty big shake-up in Samsung's game plan, especially considering they went all in with Snapdragon chips for the Galaxy S23 series. The Exynos versus Snapdragon debate is a hot topic among tech enthusiasts. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts below. Loved this update? Smash that like button, subscribe for the latest tech gossip, and don't miss our next chat here at 44 Tech Zone. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time.